Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I have created a simple wedding guest makeup look. I have already moisturized my face. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. I am applying this foundation all over my face and neck. I am blending the foundation with the help of a beauty blender. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 04. Applying it under my eyes and also the pigment areas on my face. And also on the T-zone to highlight my face. Blending it with the same beauty blender. Setting my face using a compact powder. Next up is eye makeup. I am using this warm orangish brown shade as a transition shade on my crease. I am using this slightly glittery bright orange color on my lid. Blending is the key in eye makeup. Using the same two shades under my eyes. Now I am filling my eyebrows using a dark brown eyeshadow. have done the same steps on my another eye. Now it's time for some eyeliner. This is how my eyeliner looks. Next I'm applying some kajal. Curling my lashes with a lash curler. Next I'm applying fake eyelashes for a beautiful eye look. Using Stay Quirky liquid lipstick in the shade Lust in My Blood 25. To highlight my face, I am using this Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter. For blush, I am using this NY lipstick in the shade Stage Wear 20. Changing my earring that suits my dress. This is my final makeup look. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on the Insta, link is in the description. Thanks for watching.